Awesome. Let's create our first story together on PixiePlot. Enter your child's name, which is also the name of the central character of the story. Enter it as PixiePlot for this particular example. Select the character's gender, character's age, enter a fun story prompt. Now choose a magical setting like home, park, school, ocean, farm, etc. Let's select home story theme for this particular example. Pick your preferred language, English or Hindi. This is the language in which the story gets generated in. Now comes the fun part. Let's give your story a voice. If you haven't recorded one yet, just tap the shiny little mic below. You can also go to the voices section by clicking on the voices button shown on the bottom nav bar. Once you have voices recorded, they'll appear in the form of a horizontal list, allowing you to choose whichever voice you want for your story. Please note that the voices appear according to the language selected. For example, if English is selected, all the voices recorded for English will appear. If Hindi is selected, all the voices recorded for Hindi will appear. If for some reason you don't want to use your own voice or a custom voice, you can also choose an existing voice as shown. We are heading to the voices page, where your voice becomes the magic storyteller. Ready? Let's go record your magical voice. Alright, you've landed on the voices page. Time to pick a language and read a few lines aloud as shown on the screen. Don't worry, it's just 15 seconds. When you're ready, hit the mic button and read the prompt on the screen. This will be the voice of your story's hero. This is a small permission prompt to allow the mic to record your voice. Choose the corresponding option accordingly. Small loader to record your voice. Great job! Now listen back to your voice. Don't like it? Just undo and try again. Happy with it? Upload a name, a photo for your voice character. Click on the check mark button shown below. And tada, you're all set. You'll be redirected back to the story generator page to allow you to proceed with your custom voice as the story's voice for your story. Click on the confirm consent button after reading the information shown on the screen and click on confirm. Woohoo! Your voice is ready to shine. You just created your very own storyteller. Now we are back on the story generator page. You can see or hear a preview of your voice by clicking on the small play button on the image shown on the screen. Once upon a time, in a tiny forest full of giggles and whispers. Also, you can return anytime to the story generator page by clicking on the multiple stars twinkling button shown on the screen. Now let's select the custom voice and click on generate story. Now the story generator page has started loading or creating your story with your custom voice. Once it goes through, you'll be redirected to the story preview page.